So today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use 3 different advanced Google searches. So the first thing that we're going to do is the all in title. So we're going to press all in title and do a colon and then the topic that we want to talk about. So the one that I want to talk about is how to treat an ACL. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that, and then we see that it pulls up right about here, and this is just an overview of the title of just kind of what my topic's about. And then another advanced Google thing that we're going to do is all in URL. We're going to be using the same topic, and we're going to use that, and then we see that it brings me to the URL, the top URL that I'm using for my topic. And then last but not least, we're going to use the @ symbol, and then still using the same topic at hand as another advanced Google search type. And then we see here there are two treatments that it pulls up whenever we use this advanced search. And so these are just 3 different advanced search settings in Google that you can use. Hope this helps.